Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks Part 4. I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but I kind of helped somebody do this, and then they're still. I sent them that video, Part 3, and they said that she has a better way to do it, but I can't get the video to open. But I started thinking about it when I was driving home today. I put a rectangle. I manually put a rectangle, and that's what this video is about. I manually put a rectangle around these words. And as you can see, it's not perfect. So I started thinking, any object, this is one object, is a group of 4. If you will hold down your Shift key and double click on your rectangle tool, it puts a perfect rectangle around your object. And then we can do this. And let me actually move this out of the way. And then go here and grab this. And I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but I trimmed that out. And now that's missing. And then I'll just go through the whole thing real quick because it is pretty cool. I'll left click, right click, and I intersected this. And then I took the intersection and put it in that hole. But then I put the black back, and you can see it covers it up. But if you go to Object, Order, Backup Page, now only the black shows up where the letters aren't, or where, where the Indian or Native American person isn't. That's pretty cool. One thing I would maybe suggest that maybe on this part, put an outline by right clicking, and then it kind of helps. Well, that helps it out a lot. You could actually make the outline a little bit thicker. Whoa, too big. And also some of the parts are outlines. So you might want to outline it first. But that's pretty cool. So think about next time you need to put a rectangle around something. Don't draw it manually. Just hold down your Shift key and double click on your rectangle tool. That's the case with anything. It doesn't even have to be like this. If you wanted a square around that item, hold down the Shift with that selected and double click on the rectangle tool, and you get a perfect square around that box. And it's so perfect that you could take the Smart Fill tool and you'll have no leaks because Corel did it perfectly. Anyway, I hope that gave you a little tidbit of information, and thank you for watching.